All right, y'all, here we go. We're getting on the 7 Mile Bridge. This is gonna be crazy. I don't know how my mirror keeps getting messed up. Oh man. All right, y'all, here it is. World famous 7 Mile Bridge. We're on this crazy ass bike lane. Really just a shoulder. I don't know what they were thinking. I don't know what I'm thinking. Nah, it should be fine. But I can't tell you how important these mirrors are on an e-bike. Probably any bike, but definitely an e-bike if you're going to be bike laning it. Anything like that. Oh man. Such a game changer. I've driven over this bridge quite a few times, but I never thought I would bike on it. I can't wait for the climb to see how the e-bike does. I would never want to do this on a regular bike. Speed limit's 55 on this bridge. I doubt anybody's even doing that. They're all looking at the scenery. Not bad. Even the road debris over here is not nearly as bad as I thought it would be. Not as bad as it is in most other places in Florida. Most of it is just weird, I don't know, it's like some kind of fabric that the reflective line was laid on and now is peeling off. It's weird. I never saw that one before. Oh, somebody's flipper. These expansion joints are nuts. I don't know if the camera's picking them up, but they look like two sides of giant metal teeth waiting to eat you. Whoever's tires aren't good enough. That's the little island. That's the little island we were just on the cycling bridge. I don't know how good the camera's picking it up. I have it on mid-view. Alright, now we're coming up on the climb. That's the e-bike difference. On the e-bike, you can't wait for the climb because you want to see what the bike can do. On a normal bike, you dread it because you already know it's sucks. There it is. Oh, I can already feel it. The incline has started. We might end up in first by the end of this climb. This is pretty serious. Alright, we're starting the main section now. So far holding 15 miles an hour. I'm going to drop it down to 5th gear. Still going 15. 14.9, 15. Dropping down to 4th gear. 14.4. And this is only a 500 watt e-bike. .1 is the lowest I've seen so far. And I'm barely trying. 14.4. And then we'll just coast it on the other side. Save up some of the e-charge. But I'm shifting back up again. Now I'm in 5th. I just saw a gold chain. Back to 6th gear. 7th. 15 miles an hour again. So that was that giant climb. It looked pretty big, but the e-bike just soaked it up like basically nothing. Now I was pedaling too. This bike is not for just cruising around on throttle. Yeah, you see me using the throttle all the time. I think it boosts harder. I feel like the throttle helps it boost. And then once I could tell the pedal assist kicks in, I let off the throttle and start pedaling. I keep pedaling. Oh. Oh, we passed 20 on the coast. 21. Almost as fast as this bike can go by itself. Alright, y'all. It's been a long day. 45-mile ride. And now we're about to go look for a spot to get some dinner. Swap batteries out on the GoTrex. Got the LiQWYD charged with the quick charge. Let's get to it. Decided to stop by the tiki bar at the cottages. Got this pretty shit. Got these motherfuckers. Bikes are right with us. The best thing. We got early 2000s light pop hanging out. Alright, y'all. We're at the second location. What's the name of this fucking place?
Sunset Grill.
Sunset Grill. Some shit like that. We got some Sprites. Some Boomer Ball on the TVs. Sunday night, so it was nice and slow, just like I was hoping. Score increase. Also, the bikes are right down there. It's getting intense.